Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how we can perform the hard reset of your DOQAUS Care 1 headphones. So as you can see, I'm currently connected with my phone, and after I perform the reset, this connection will disappear. So you have to find this 3.5 millimeters jack headphones input, this one. And we have to find a long needle. The phone needle is actually too short, and we have to grab this kind of the needle, put it inside and press the button. There is a small button inside, and you just have to put it like that and try to press gently. You have to locate the button. Okay, I just did it. I locate it and I press it once, but as you can see right now this connection disappear. So it means that after pressing this button inside, you will find that your connection will disappear. It means that we successfully performed the reset, and right now you just have to get rid of that connection of your device and then just power it on back. And that's all for this video. I know it's a weird method. They just put this reset button inside this jack headphone instead of putting it right here or leaving like some kind of the button combination. But yeah, as you can see in my case, it's working, and right now when I go to the pair new device, I can find it on available devices list. And that's all for this video. Hope you like it.